1932 Duesenberg Model J sweet panel dual cowl Phaeton.
Well, I don't have to spend a lot of time telling you about the restoration on this, because this car, I mean, is speaking to everyone in this room right now.
Yep.
Absolutely pristine. 420 cubic inch inline 8-cylinder, that famous Duesenberg straight 8 with 265 horsepower. So much history behind this automobile. 1932, the Duesenberg brothers sold the company to Eric Cord, and his first order of business with that company was to build an automobile like this. Both of the Duesenberg brothers stayed on for a while. One of them moved on, and one of them stayed with Cord, and he took over the Model J project. The most expensive, powerful, and luxurious car on planet Earth was the plan, and boy, did they ever score. Different coach builders built bodies on these cars. Mulliner, I mean, I go down the list. Fisher, Dietrich,
Legrand. This is the Legrand style.
Right. And they all had their own particular way of creating the style of these cars, and we're at 1.250 right now.
Here, this is so funny. This car is so historic, and during the restoration, they've used so many original parts and original date parts. But look at this, Bill. It has a modern Tremec 6-speed manual transmission.
I almost didn't want to say that because it kind of breaks the spell a little bit.
That I don't think I've ever seen before on a doozy.
No, and I'd like to know what kind of engineering was used to get that transmission to mount up to the back of that engine.
Hello, Mr. Tremec. Yeah. I have a Duesenberg. I'd like to put your product in, right?
Is this Rick at NPD? Yeah, look.
1,000,002, 1,000,003. Is he done any advance? 1,000,002, 1,000,003. Have, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause. Sold $1,200,000. Sold $1,200,000. Next Racklin.
Now a little bit of American automotive history right there. 1.2 million for that 1932 Duesenberg.
Still presents very well. It's got a 2 4-passenger body style with the